Welcome to the Dr. Rcraft CSS Outline tutorial. The CSS Outline Properties allow you to customize the outline of an element. The difference between outlines and borders is that outlines are not part of an element's dimensions, meaning the outline can overlap other elements' content areas, like this. Here is a visualization of an outline, a border, and some content. Let's start with outline style. Now, dotted means a dotted outline, dashed means a dashed outline, solid means a solid outline, and double means a double outline. Now, to show these 3D outlines, we'll need to increase the outline width. And now you can see the outlines overlap. So let's add some margin so that there's enough room to show all of these outlines. So groove means a 3D groove outline. Ridge means a 3D ridge outline. Inset means a 3D inset outline. And outset means a 3D outset outline. Next up, outline width. The outline width property changes the width of the outline. It can be set to a fixed value like this, or one of the 3 keywords: thin, medium, and thick. Now let's set the color of the outline with the outline color property. You can see that this element has a blue outline. Now the outline can be a predefined color name, a hex value, or an RGB value. To specify all the outline properties in one property, you need to use the shorthand property outline, like this. You can see it produces the same result. So the outline property is a shorthand for outline width, outline style, and outline color, which can be arranged in any order. This concludes the CSS Outline tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.